Is there anything else that stands out to you about this place?
Reflections in the water. It's not the ocean, but it's like it's fresh water, but the sunset reflects off of it.
Now that we've taken a look at who you are, where you live, and what you do, I want you to move into some of the most important days in the life that we are currently viewing. This will help us to understand why you are being shown this life. You are now leaving this space and moving forward a day that you consider to be important in the life we are watching. You are there now. Tell me, what is happening? What do you see?
There's something vaguely in my line of sight. But when I turn to look, it follows. I don't think it's separate. I think it's on me.
Can you tell what it is that's on you?
No, it's round. It's round.
And is this thing causing you distress?
Yeah, my stomach dropped.
And what does it feel like is happening? Can you tell what is happening?
There are flashes of things that are gone so quick. They're not pictures. It looks kind of like lines.
Is something attacking you?